Choosing the right condom involves considering factors such as size, material, texture, and additional features to ensure maximum comfort, safety, and pleasure. Let's discuss some important tips for selecting the right condom in this video. Size. Condoms come in various sizes, including standard, snugger fit, and larger sizes. It's essential to choose a condom that fits well to prevent slippage or breakage during intercourse. Measure the width and length of the erect penis to determine the appropriate size. Material. Condoms are typically made from latex, polyurethane, or lambskin. Latex condoms are the most common and effective at preventing sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unintended pregnancy. Polyurethane condoms are a suitable alternative for individuals with latex allergies. Lambskin condoms provide natural feel but do not protect against STIs. Texture. Some condoms feature textured surfaces, such as ribs, studs, or dots, designed to enhance sensation and pleasure for both partners. Consider trying different textures to see what you and your partner prefer. Thickness. Condom thickness can affect sensitivity during intercourse. Thinner condoms offer a more natural feel and increased sensitivity, while thicker condoms provide added durability and peace of mind. Lubrication. Most condoms come pre-lubricated with a silicone or water-based lubricant to reduce friction and enhance comfort during intercourse. Consider choosing condoms with added lubrication for smoother and more enjoyable sex. Spermicide. Some condoms are coated with a spermicidal lubricant containing non-oxynol 9, which helps kill sperm and reduce the risk of pregnancy. However, spermicide may cause irritation for some individuals, so it's essential to consider personal preferences and sensitivities. Flavor and scent. Flavored and scented condoms are available for oral sex and can add variety and excitement to your intimate experiences. Choose flavors and scents that you and your partner enjoy. Specialty condoms. Specialty condoms are designed for specific purposes, such as extra-strength condoms for anal sex, non-latex condoms for individuals with latex allergies, or extra-large condoms for larger penis sizes. Select condoms tailored to your needs and preferences. Brand reputation. Choose condoms from reputable brands known for their quality, reliability, and safety standards. Look for condoms that meet international quality certifications, such as ISO or FDA approval, to ensure they are effective and safe to use. Personal preference. Ultimately, the right condom is one that feels comfortable, fits well, and enhances pleasure for both partners. Experiment with different brands, styles, and features to find what works best for you and your partner. Remember to store condoms in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and check the expiration date before use. Using condoms consistently and correctly is essential for effective protection against STIs and unintended pregnancy. If you have specific concerns or questions about choosing the right condom, consider consulting with a healthcare provider or sexual health expert for personalized guidance and recommendations. If you would have any suggestion, then please do comment in the below comment box and we would love to solve your query. Stay safe and stay healthy.